I don't know if you can hear that, but it's sizzling hot. And it's done. I actually opened it up and put a little butter on the top of it. But this thing is hot. It's still cooking. It looks pretty good. I don't see nothing wrong with any of this. This looks like it's going to be a pretty good set of victuals for today. Okay, getting this thing out of the pan turned into be a little bit of fun, but I got it sitting out, and you can see the bread that I made this morning, and you can see this loaf that I just took out, and this thing is stuffed with hamburger, onions, mushrooms, banana peppers. It's got a load of everything in there. So this thing ought to be pretty tasty for dinner. Have a great day. Bye.